guys, so welcome back to the 50 Factor, and I thought I'd do a little meal prep video for you. This is for summertime, so we're at home and we're working out and we're chilling and we're just having a good time and all that stuff with me and the kids. So this is venison and pork sausage, so it's pretty low fat for the meat. There is a little starch in there, which I didn't want rice and corn, but Jet grabbed the corn for me and steamed it up for me in the microwave before I could even turn my head. So that was just one of the steam bags of vegetables. You know how I feel about that. Steaming locks in all the nutrients versus canned. And then there's rice, obviously, and then down here we have for snacks, like if we want eggs or whatever. And then these down here are just some simple corn muffins that we use. I don't eat a whole lot of that. I don't eat much bread and stuff. And then this is something we did for the kids. We made these little protein cupcakes with some cake mix, some protein mix to put that together. So that's some snacks for them throughout the week. And then over here, Peyton's got all her stuff ready for her lunch anyway. So she's got some rice and she's got some black-eyed peas and an egg, and she'll eat that. And then we do our eggs this way. We do them on the griddle, and then we just put them in a bag like that. As you well know, you've seen me do it before. Got a little bit of blue down there. If you see that right there, we did M&M pancakes this morning that was stuck on the griddle, so there's nothing wrong with the eggs. But so she does hers this way, and then I do mine this way right here, and then Jet just kind of does whatever he wants. So we just kind of put together some simple meals. These are kind of what we eat for lunch, and then what we eat for breakfast is whether it's eggs with a piece of bacon or a piece of sausage to go with it, a sausage patty or a piece of bacon, and then for lunch, or for supper rather, or dinner, we will do something like, for example, we're having pork tenderloin tomorrow. Today we're having, for Sunday, we're having Hawaiian roll sliders with barbecue. And then like Wednesday, we'll do grilled chicken legs. So we stay fairly healthy during the summer. We try not to get away from our diet too much. But it's summertime too, so we're gonna, and the kids are just kids, so we're gonna let them do kind of whatever they want to do. But Peyton's really been on a health kick here lately. So anyway, we're enjoying it. We hope you guys are having a great summer. We're gonna kind of keep rolling along with our content. So hey, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a great one. I'll catch you in the next one.